We'll move on to the next topic. In unit number 2 is mutual fund taxation. We leave the mutual fund taxation. Tax is the major source, the primary source of government to resource its reserve or capital. Without tax, no government can run its business. In that nature, whatever the transactions, especially financial transaction happening in any country, the central government of that particular nation have the entire right and every right to charge on that one. In that way, mutual fund is also under the purview of the tax. Usually, mutual fund are exempted from taxation. The reason why is the investor of mutual funds are not professional investors. They are only the small investors and very basic or very small investor or individual investor. The prime target is not meant for making or minting the money from that investment. It is simply a type of savings. So, to encourage more and more number of investors coming into the forum, mutual fund investments are exempted from taxation by scheme itself. Whereas we'll go to the individual, there are some transactions attract the tax, some of them are not. Why it is and how it is, we'll all discuss in the other mutual fund taxation. So after studying this topic, we will understand what are the different types of taxes associated with the mutual fund schemes and what are the different types of taxes levied on the mutual fund investor, especially security transaction tax, capital gains tax, and dividend distribution tax. Welcome to mutual fund taxation.